Hi guys, I'm really glad to see you here. Today we will talk about Favorited app and I wanna review this application. So I will show you how to download it, how to use it, how to create an account in this application and so on. So let's get started. First of all, let's download this application from Play Store. Also, you can easily get it from App Store if you're an iOS user. So just open up it and type in the search box Favorited, and here it is. Okay, now let's try to install it. So what this application is. So this is how this application looks like. So in this application you can go live, you can chat with other people. So this is a social media application. Okay, we did it, and finally I can start the application. So let's open up it, and this is how the home page looks like. Okay, let's click on the get started button at the very bottom. Of course you need to agree it. And now you need to create your account. And to be honest, there are three ways how you can create your account: with your phone number, for example, or by using another methods, for example, sign in with Google or sign in with Apple. Well, let's select sign in with Google. Okay, wait a bit. Okay, and the next step, pick a username. So just create a username and click on the next button. How old are you? And here it is. By the way, the app has a pretty simple but very beautiful design. It's very user-friendly. So the application has 5 tabs. So watch, discover, go live button, activity and profile. Let's get started with the last tab, profile. Here you can find all information about your profile. You can easily edit it right here. You can see your followers, following, streak and so on. The next step, activity. Of course, here you will see all your notifications, messages from favorites, for example, and so on. Go live button. By clicking on it, you can start your own broadcast, your stream. But as you can see, you need 25 followers to start your own stream, but you can join existing streams. So you can just join to someone and start streaming with him or her. The next step is discover. In this step you can find someone, and the last step is watch. Here of course you can see other people's streams. You can comment them. If you want to go to the next broadcast, just swipe it down. So the application is really interesting. I advise you to try to use it because it's completely free in App Store, in Play Store too. Now it's very easy to grow your own account in this application. So hope a short tutorial was helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel and put a like under this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.